try that again. So basically, as long as you guys can understand that 3 minus 5 is the same thing as 3 plus negative 5. So to do that with this problem, when I have a polynomial, basically what I'm going to have to do is distribute this negative sign to all of my 4 terms. So I'm going to make this a positive. I'm going to change this to an addition problem. And now I'm going to distribute the negative. So I'm going to make these all now the opposite signs. So I see that? Plus, if it's 3 minus 5, plus a negative. Make it that plus, now make it the opposite sign. So I made this positive, and I made every single one negative. Everybody see that? OK. Now, let's come up to another problem when we try to do it the vertical method. So now I know I have an addition problem, which is cool. So I only have 7x squared minus 2. And then over here, I have negative 3x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 1. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this can sometimes be kind of confusing to align everything, because you guys can see I'm subtracting something that has many more values, right, than the top. Correct? So what I like to do is create what we call place values. I pretty much look at, on my bottom term, I have, and you don't have to do place values, but I think it's sometimes helpful. Do I have a cubed for this top equation?
No.
So is it OK if I write 0x cubed? What's 0 times x cubed? 0. So it's kind of like it doesn't exist, but it's kind of giving us a placeholder so we kind of can keep everything aligned. Again, I don't have a 0. I don't have an x, so I'll write 0x and minus 2. And the only reason why I do this is now so I can align everything vertically. You don't have to do that. You can easily just combine. You can easily just add them how they are. But I think sometimes it's nice to have everything vertically aligned. So now, George, when I do this, I have 0x cubed plus a negative 3x cubed, which is negative 3x cubed. This becomes a negative 12x squared minus 2x minus 1 would be your final answer.